In today's video, I'm going to teach you integrate Jira and ServiceNow. Integrating Jira and ServiceNow can help streamline your workflow, keep tasks synchronized across teams, and improve communication between departments that may be using different systems. When this connection is set up properly, it becomes much easier to share information and keep everyone aligned without constantly switching between platforms. To begin, launch Jira and make sure you are logged in with the correct permissions. This is important because installing apps or creating integrations usually requires admin access or the appropriate project-level permissions. If you do not have access to the required options, you may need to check with your Jira administrator before moving forward. Once you are inside Jira, look over to the left side panel and click on Apps. This section is where Jira stores integrations, extensions, and add-ons that expand what the platform can do. If your layout looks slightly different, just look for the Apps area in the main navigation. After that, click on Explore More Apps. This will open the Atlassian Marketplace, where you can browse and install tools designed to connect Jira with other platforms. Give the page a moment to load fully so you can see the available options. Next, go to the search bar and type Service. Now, from the results, select ServiceNow integration for Jira. Be sure to choose the integration that matches the ServiceNow connection you want to set up. Taking a second to confirm the app name can help avoid installing the wrong extension. When you are on the app page, move to the top right corner and click Try for Free. If prompted again, choose Try for Free if that option is available. This allows you to test the integration without immediate payment, which is useful if you want to verify compatibility before making any long-term decisions. From there, complete the guided steps to connect Jira and ServiceNow. The setup wizard is designed to walk you through the process, so follow each screen carefully. You may be asked to confirm permissions, connection settings, or syncing preferences. Take your time here, because correct configuration is what ensures the two systems work smoothly together. Once you finish the wizard, the integration should become active. At that point, Jira and ServiceNow can begin sharing information, helping teams work more cohesively, and keeping communication in sync across platforms. And that's it. Thanks for watching.